So I've been seeing a lot of videos like on TikTok. My baby mamas, they're exposing their baby daddies ngokungondli and whatnot. I'm not saying that's wrong and I'm not saying that's right, but guys, niyonqena ukuveske nibase ecourt laba bantu, because by doing that, abanye benu, you guys are putting your lives at risk, because abanye babantu ababhadlanga lapha enhloko. A couple of weeks ago, I watched this other video on TikTok about this other lady overseas who expose umyeni wakhe ngokwenza izinto ezifani ebantwaneni, and then the following day that guy went to her house and then wamdubula naye wasidubula, you know. So ezinye izinto are not as easy as they seem, you understand. Omnye umuntu lento lena ngave sikayibone nje akuhante akufune and then just do something unspeakable to you or to the child. For an example, ngoku there's a video of the lady owenze lonto leyo expose utata omntanakhe, and then utata omntanakhe uyamthreatenisha and uthi beyile nasemsebenzini eyomfuna umfuna phansi naphezulu. So ezinye izinto ingase before uzenze uzijonge ungalandeli trends, you know. There are ways to deal with baby daddy abongondliyo. Court, court. Or rather, umyeke, you know. But mina le yokubana ubeke ilife yakho neyomntana emngciphekweni, because awumazi la muntu ucinga ntoni. So please make sure that you're safe now.